Firestick stuck on the Amazon logo screen or keeps looping on the logo? This is a common issue, and in most cases it can be fixed at home. In this video, I will show you step-by-step troubleshooting methods to fix your Firestick stuck on the logo screen. Make sure you follow each step in order and don't skip anything. First, we are going to force restart the Firestick using the remote. Pick up your Firestick remote and point it directly at your TV. Now press and hold the select button, which is the center button, and the play/pause button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons for about 10 seconds. After a few seconds, you should see a message on the screen saying that your Fire TV is powering off. Let it turn off and restart automatically. Once it turns back on, check if it moves past the logo screen. This step forces a reboot without unplugging anything and can fix temporary system freezes. Next, we will try a basic power cycle. Unplug the Firestick power cable from the wall outlet. If your Firestick is connected to the TV's USB port instead, unplug it from the TV. Leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. This gives the device enough time to fully drain any leftover power. After 60 seconds, plug it back into power and turn it on. Then, check if it boots normally and goes past the logo screen. This can clear small glitches and minor boot errors. Now, we will do a full power reset, which is a deeper power cycle. Remove the Firestick completely from the HDMI port on your TV. If you are using an HDMI extender, remove that as well. Then, unplug the power cable from the Firestick and also unplug the wall adapter from the socket. Leave everything disconnected for at least 10 minutes. Do not reconnect anything during this time. After 10 minutes, plug everything back in exactly the way it was before. Turn on your TV and check the screen to see if the issue is fixed. This step fully resets the hardware connection and can help stop a boot loop. After that, check the power source you are using. Make sure you are not powering the Firestick from the TV's USB port. Always use the original wall adapter and the original cable that came with the device. If you are already using the original adapter and the problem is still there, try using a different power brick. If possible, also test with another USB cable. Plug the adapter into a direct wall outlet instead of an extension board. Turn the Firestick back on and check the logo screen again. Insufficient power is one of the most common reasons this problem happens. Next, we will check the HDMI connection. If you are using an HDMI extender, remove it. Plug the Firestick directly into the TV's HDMI port. If it is already directly connected, try switching it to a different HDMI port on your TV. If another device is using that port, unplug that device and test the port with your Firestick. Also, make sure your TV input is set to the correct HDMI source. This helps rule out HDMI port or connection problems. If your Firestick stays on the logo screen but is not restarting again and again, leave it powered on. Do not unplug it. Wait for up to 20 to 25 minutes. In some cases, it may be installing an update in the background, and interrupting it can make things worse. After waiting, check if it loads to the home screen on its own. If none of the previous steps work, the last option is a factory reset using the remote. Point the remote at the TV. Press and hold the back button and the right directional button together. Keep holding them for about 10 to 15 seconds. Wait until you see the reset message appear on the screen. Once it appears, select Reset using the center button on the remote. Then wait for the Firestick to reset completely. This can fix corrupted system software, but it will erase all your data from the device. That's it for this video on how to fix your Firestick stuck on the logo screen. I hope this step-by-step troubleshooting guide helps you get your Firestick back up and running. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful tech fixes. Did one of these methods work for you, or are you still facing the issue? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.